Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. City Lights, Big Dreams. Leo lived in a very big, exciting city. The city was full of tall buildings that touched the sky. At night, the city was bright with colorful lights everywhere. Leo loved the city. He loved the busy streets and all the fun things to do. Leo worked in a very big company in the city. The company was called Funtime Entertainment. It was in a tall glass building high above the city streets. Funtime Entertainment made games and movies and all sorts of fun things for people to enjoy. Leo had a job in the idea department of Funtime Entertainment. His job was to come up with new ideas for games and movies. Leo loved his job. He was very creative and had lots of fun ideas all the time. He always dreamed of making something really amazing that everyone would love. Every day, Leo went to work in the big tall building. He would take the fast elevator up to his office on a very high floor. From his office window, Leo could see the whole city spread out below him like a giant map of lights and streets. In the idea department, Leo worked with a team of other creative people. They would sit around a big table and talk and laugh and share their ideas. They would think about funny characters, exciting stories, and new kinds of games. Sometimes the ideas were silly, and sometimes they were very clever. One day, Leo had a very special idea. He thought of a new game that was very different from anything Funtime Entertainment had ever made before. It was a game about a little cat who explored a big city and had many funny adventures. Leo was very excited about this idea. He thought it could be really popular. Leo worked very hard to make his idea into a real game plan. He drew pictures of the cat, wrote stories about the city, and planned out all the levels of the game. He showed his plan to his boss. His boss was very impressed. The boss said, "Leo, this is a fantastic idea. Let's make this game." Soon, everyone at Funtime Entertainment was working on Leo's game. Artists drew pictures, programmers wrote code, and musicians made music. Leo's little cat game became bigger and bigger. Finally, the day came when the game was finished. It was released to the world. And guess what? Everyone loved it. Leo's game became a huge hit. People all over the city and all over the world were playing Leo's game and having fun. Leo was very happy and proud. He had made his dream come true in the big, exciting city. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.